Hey guys, we are back on the road. We are in the southeast corner of Kansas. We're going to show you Big Brutus. Be right back.
My apartment is a mess. There's no room for happiness.
Okay, we're stopping in the museum here first. That's not Brutus. This is the replica of Brutus. Well, that's heavy duty metal too. There it is. Anyway, heck, let's go out. Let's go out and see Brutus. Okay, this cable here was on Brutus to lift the bucket. The cable is 25 pounds per foot. There was 800 feet on each side of the hoist. It would only last about 6 months before it would break. Wow. Now, this looks like an old road grader. Brutus weighs 9.3 million pounds. The height, all the way up to the top up there, is 160 feet. The boom's 150 feet long. Dipper handle is 88 feet long. Maximum dumping reach is 150 feet. Okay, you see that other little excavator over there? This thing is massive. It was manufactured off-site. It took 150 train cars to bring it here in pieces, and they put it together here. Look at these tracks. It travels at 0.22 miles an hour, so it's going to take over 4 hours to go 1 mile. Oh yeah, we're going to get on it, climb around on it. Okay, here's the bucket. Yeah, 90 cubic yards, or 135 tons of material. Whoa, 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 whoa. Look at, massive. Look at this. Mind-blowing. Okay, enter here. Wow. 9.3 million pounds. Over 4 hours to go a mile. 4 hours to go a mile. It was retired in 1974. Okay, this is where it rotated. Those are little wheels, and that's a track. So the whole basically building above us, rotated. Yeah, here's where it talks about that. 45 feet in diameter. The wheels are 19 inches. And there are 90 wheels. This is like walking around an old ship. Watch your head. Oh, okay, what's over here? This is so cool. They preserve this and allow people to just wander around in it. Ooh. What's in there? Or in there. Why don't you go in there and see what's in there?
That's okay. Very low.
Regional Historic Mechanical Engineering Landmark. Big Brutus coal mining shovel. 1963. Built in 62. It was the second largest in the world. We will keep going here.
Short-spirited energy and going down this stuff now.
This is powered by electric motors. There's no diesel, no steam, nothing. That must be one of them. Motor mounts. There were two 3,500 horsepower electric AC motors mounted in the center. These motors operated 13 DC generators, which in turn operated 13 DC motors. The DC motors operated the main winch, swing, and crowd. This is a building. Look at that. What do we got out here? Okay, swing gears. 3 gearboxes of this type were used to swing the house. Each was driven by a 750 horsepower DC electric motor. Okay, so this spun it around. No, it's not.
Yes, it can be.
Awesome, look at this. Think I'm gonna sit down there? You bet I'm gonna sit down there if I can get in. Whoa! Floor's soft there. Watch the thing start up.
So the pit that's in front of us was the last pit that Brutus worked in.
That's the last pit Brutus worked in.
It's 50 feet deep and 2 miles in length.
50 feet deep and 2 miles in length. So it just basically worked backwards, I guess. Or look at all those bugs or bees out there.
Nice. They stock it with fish now.
Huh?
They stock it with fish now, so you can fish there.
Uh-oh.
It's part of the public lands, not this.
Nice. What's out here? Whole crowd of people going to be coming in here, so keep moving. Yeah. Men of Brutus, 1963 to 1974. Superintendents, email John, Oscar, Leon, and John. Operators,
Those are all bees.
ground men, oiler, other. It's like electrician, crown gears. The function of the crown gears was to operate the stick that is attached to the bucket. These are two 500 horsepower direct current electric motors. My gimbal battery is very low. I thought it was charging, but it must not have been plugged in all the way. Here's the cable that was outside. The 25 pounds per foot. Main hoist.
This is, yeah, the one person who would go up and down.
Elevator?
Yeah.
Huh. Yeah, well, of course it should have an elevator. Why wouldn't
That stayed stationary while everything else moved around it.
It's even just a little bit spooky in here too. Don't leave me. I'm scared. Yeah, okay, we're gonna go and look around more out here, down here. On the way here, we were wondering how loud it was. When you know, if it was really loud for the neighbors or what. Well, you could really scare somebody. Step in there and hide behind that thing. I'm popping out of here. What the heck was that? This thing falling apart? There's some other ones over here too. That's a pretty good sized one over there. Let's go check that out. This guy had to start mowing as soon as I turned the camera on. Yeah, should put the camera away and use both hands coming down here. Better get somebody a welder and come up here. Whoa! Let's go check this little one out over here. It'll be like wah 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 looking at the little one. For some reason they won't let you climb on this. Tammy Lee, Justin Scard. Look at the size of that thing. YouTube channel, Justin Scard. One of our favorites. Okay, here's another view of Brutus. Look at that. Look at that. Okay, here's the Markley shovel. Well, that's an old bird. What year is this? Does not say the year of it. Look at it, it's just that tin corrugated metal for the body. Dude sits right here. Guessing there was a cushion on it, maybe.
Well, that looked like a really uncomfortable chair to sit in. There was a cushion on it.
All the mechanisms right here. Yeah, can you see what year?
Oh, it's a man-made from 1930.
1930.
From spare parts picked up in junkyards.
Wow. So some guy just built this.
Uh-huh.
You need an excavator or a shovel? Make one yourself. No climbing. I know all you guys out there, maybe some of you girls, always wanted to operate a crane or something cool, some construction equipment or whatever. Now this is the drag line that she was talking about, I think. Look at that, there's an actual house. And on Brutus they call it the house too. You never know what you're gonna see on our Simple Adventures. You never. 1920 page drag line, model 222. Drum set number 2300 foot boom with a 3 1/3 yard bucket. And what was Brutus? 90 yards bucket. So 30 of these buckets would go in the bucket of Brute. There's wasps and bees all over the place here. Are you trying to stop me from... anything that's trying to stop me from coming in here? All right. Okay, this dug from the early 50s to 1991 when it was donated to the Brutus Museum. Looks like it'll diesel powered. I just cannot get over how big Brutus is. All right, this one's still got a cushion on it. Okay, I'm moving something there. Okay. Oh, there's a Christmas star up at the top there.
Turn around and give me a smile. Thank you.
Wow, wow, wow. Good stop. You guys are ever in southeastern Kansas, this is impressive. Okay, you guys, from us and Big Brutus, we're going to wrap this up and head to the next, wherever. Follow us to find out what we're gonna see next. We love you guys. God bless each and every one of you. Hit that notification bell if you haven't already, and share this with a like-minded person. We will see you in a few
next adventure.
in a few days. Bye.
Bye.